Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Open kitchen design ideas have become increasingly popular, offering a seamless and spacious layout that combines the kitchen while the adjoining living or dining areas. One prominent feature is the kitchen island, which serves as a central hub for cooking, dining, and socialization. Islands often include additional storage, seating, and can serve as a focal point of the open space. Open shelving has also gained favor, replacing upper cabinets to create an airy and accessible atmosphere. It allows for display of dishes, comeware, and decorative items, adding personality to the kitchen. The use of neutral color palettes and minimalist cabinetry is a key element of open kitchen design, contributing to a clean and uncultured look that visually expands the space. The inclusion of large windows or glass doors to the outdoors provides the abundance of natural light, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living, enhancing the sense of space and connecting the kitchen to nature. They foster a sense of unity between the kitchen and the rest of the living area. Incorporating complementary flooring and consistent design elements such as color schemes or materials is a popular strategy. Ultimately, open kitchen design ideas prioritize functionality, sociability, and aesthetics, making them ideal for contemporary living and entertaining as they flow or fluid movement, ample natural light, and a sense of togetherness in today's home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.